Hello, dear students. Let us continue with the chapter Stem and Leaves. In the last class, we have learnt about the functions of stem and leaves. So now let us see how we use the stem and leaves in our day-to-day life. Uses of stem. Some stems are used as food, for example, potato, onions. The sugarcane is used to make juice, sugar, and jaggery. It is used to make furnitures as they are hard and strong. Teak, mahogany, and few more examples. Like in your house, you have seen a table, a chair, a wooden chair, a sofa. These are all made up of different types of wood which is from the tree or stem. Okay, students? Yes. It is used to make medicines. For example, tulsi and neem. It is used to make useful things like rubber and jute. The milky juice from the stem of the rubber tree is used to make rubber. It can be a eraser which you use it, pencil and eraser, and it can be a rubber band. It can even be the note rubber bands. There are different kinds of rubber things, right? It can be a pressure cooker ring that is made up of rubber, right? Yes, there are many things which is made up of rubber. Where is the rubber from? It is from the rubber tree. The stem of jute is used to make jute. Jute plant is used to make jute, whereas it is used as ropes. It is used as bags, right? Yes. Now let us see the uses of leaves. Some leaves are used as food. That is, leafy vegetables such as spinach, parsley, basil, all these green leaves or leafy vegetables are used for food. Some of the examples: leaves of tea plant which is used to make tea. Spices in cooking, that is bay leaf, coriander. All these are spices in cooking. To make medicines, for example, as I said, it is used to make medicines. The leaves of tulsi and neem plant which they use for medicine. To cook or serve food on a turmeric leaf or banana leaf. If we go to some occasion, we see that they serve us in a banana leaf, right? If you go to some wedding, so they gave it in the banana leaf, right? Yes, they use it as serve. That they use it as plate and they serve food in that, right? Yes. The last one, it is used for decoration during the special occasions. What do you mean by the special occasion? So, dear students, have you ever noticed if there is your uncle's marriage or your cousin's marriage, some marriages, if you have visited, they use the coconut leaves to decorate the house, in front of the house, right? They put like shed, right? Yes, those leaves are used for decoration during the special occasions, right? Yes. So these are the uses of stems and leaves. So now let us be amazed, or let us learn about chlorophyll and tannin. Do you know what is chlorophyll? The green color of leaves is due to a substance called chlorophyll. The green color of leaves is used to the substance called chlorophyll. And leaves that turn brown, that is, it is due to the substance called tannin. Tannin always also gives the color of your tea. That is, the green substance, that is any green leaf you see, that is made up of chlorophyll. It has a substance called chlorophyll, and the leaf which is turning into brown, that is due to tannin. Okay, tannin gives the color of tea, that is brownish red color. So, dear students, have you ever noticed the leaves becoming brown when the leaves dry? It becomes like brown, red, and all, right? It depends on different kinds of types of leaf. Why is that so? That is during the winter season. It changes during the winter season. Some of the trees shed all their leaves. Leaves of some trees change their color. Do you know why they do so? Let us try to find out. There are some trees where the leaves are not there in normal form. That is, for example, cactus plant. The leaves of the cactus plants are reduced to spines. Here you can see in the second picture, this is the cactus plant which has spines. It reduces the spine. This is the shed leaves, and these are the different colors of leaf during the winter season. Okay, students? Yes, I hope you all have understood this lesson very well. Let us continue this session in the next class. Thank you, class. Enjoy learning.